Nigerian TV. Nigerian TV.
Country people, una well done. Una welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as it dey happen and as it dey hot. Country people, una well done. Una welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as it dey happen and as it dey hot.
DGM TV.
Here on DJM Record TV, and I'm here again to make you laugh and learn. So please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and share this video. And let's check this out. What is a lie?
A lie. A lie is the opposite of truth. Anything that is not true is assumed to be a lie.
Okay, have you lied before?
Yeah, severally.
Why?
Why? For numerous reasons, of course.
Can you lie for 10 million naira?
Of course I can, depending on the lie.
It has to depend before you lie for 10 million naira.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Is it good to lie?
No, it's not good to lie at all.
Okay, tell me one big lie that will make me run from here, like run like mad.
Okay. I could tell you that I'm a millionaire.
A millionaire?
Yes.
What is a lie?
A lie. Okay, is an act of not saying the truth. Even when you know, okay, what you're saying is not the truth.
Okay, have you lied before?
I've never lied before. I've lied like a lot of times. God have mercy on me, Sha.
Why?
Okay, for someone to lie for me, I feel the person might have a reason. Probably at times, if it comes with some kind of punishment, like then we're still at home, probably want to do something, and you know then that is going to beat you. You have no other option than to cover it up.
Okay, can you lie for 10 million naira?
Who will not lie for 10 million naira?
10 million naira.
I would lie for 10 million naira. No vex.
Can you tell me one big lie?
One big lie.
That can make me run from here.
Okay, right now I can't really think. I can't think of any.
You just lied.
Really?
Because you know you can tell me one big lie.
No, right now I don't know. It's okay. It's not as if I can, but right now it's not forthcoming.
Tell me one big lie.
Okay, sure.
How much did you buy this attachment?
Okay, I bought it for 1,000.
1,000 naira. Sure.
Yes, I'm sure.
Is it good to lie?
No, it's not good.
And you are lying.
I'm not lying. I bought for 1,000. Spiritual sincerity. I actually bought it for 1,000.
Can you tell us what a lie is?
Yeah. Lie is when you stand on your friend's front and still be lying in front of him. Like when you hit him and said he's not hitting, that is what we call a lie. And a lie is when you steal something from someone and he caught you red-handed, then you are still denying in front of him. Yeah, that is what we call a lie.
Okay. When last did you lie?
When last did no. When the last time? The last time I lied is on top of a woman. On top of a woman.
On top a woman?
Yes. That was inside last year.
Huh? Can you lie for 10 million naira?
Come look at this.
Even 100 naira I will lie. I will lie.
100 naira.
Just don't give me 10 million. Just 100 naira I will lie.
Why?
A lie is my hobby.
Is your hobby to lie? And you lied last year?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think it's good to lie?
In some.
Tell us what is a lie.
Okay, a lie is a situation whereby a person does not tell the truth.
Okay, can you tell us when last you lied?
Okay, maybe I lied today.
maybe, or you lied today?
I might not be very sure about that because I might do it unconsciously.
Can you lie for 10 million?
Well, if I am knowledgeable of the fact that I'm going to lie, then I won't lie.
You won't lie for 10 million?
No, I won't.
I mean 10 million, 10.
I know. I won't.
Why?
Because I have Jesus Christ in me.
You have Jesus Christ in you, and you have lied before, and you will lie today, and you won't lie for 10 million.
Because I'm aware I'm going to lie. So, what's the point lying?
That means it's not good to lie, right?
It's not good to lie.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, can you tell us what is a lie?
A lie. I just lied just now. A lie is something that is truer. A lie is something that is truer. Something that is more truer, you understand? As in truer, truest. Huh? Do you understand the truer? It's something that cannot be truer. Hey!
When last did you tell a lie?
Just now, I just lied just now. Did you not see me lying?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you just lied.
Okay, I just lied. I'm just lying now. I'm still lying now.
Can you lie for 10 million?
For 10 million. I can even lie for 15 naira. Just buy this thing. Now they're asking for me. I'll lie for you.
Hey! I hear me, back me.
I never expected it.
Lie is a false statement, maybe said by someone, either for his own advantage or to cover for someone. That's why all I know about lie.
Okay, have you lied before?
Definitely.
When last did you lie?
Not quite long.
Why did you lie?
Why that? I've forgotten. We lie, come on, we lie. We are humans, so no one is above lies.
Okay. Can you lie for 10 million naira?
For 10 million naira. First of all, I would know what's in store for me to lie to get that 10 million naira.
Like you have to think about it before you lie for 10 million naira.
It depends on the situation. Yeah, it depends. Depends on the situation. Yes and no. Yes and no.
Okay. Can you help me tell a big lie?
Like, okay. You're so tall. You're tall. Yeah. Should I say you're okay? I won't say anything about your beauty because you're rubbing pancake. You're makeup, so.
Thank you. Don't insult me, but it's okay. Gabriel, can you please tell us what is a lie?
What is what?
A lie.
A lie. Maybe short form of somebody's name, like let's say Laye, or something like that.
What is a?
A lie.
A lie.
Yeah.
A lie is when you are saying something that's false.
Something that's false.
Yes.
Okay. Have you lied before?
I just lied now.
Really?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know. Because it's one of the right things to do.
Okay. Can you lie for 10 million naira?
Yes, now.
Yes, now.
Yes. I can lie for 10 million naira.
You can lie below 10 million naira.
Of course.
Can. Okay. Is it good to lie?
It's not advisable, but it can help in some situations.
Okay. Tell me one big lie that will make me run like mad.
You are not beautiful.
Oh my God! Did you say that? That lie is too big. Like seriously.
It's a lie now. You say I should say any lie.
Not true to free yourself.
Okay. When last did you lie?
I actually lied this morning.
This morning. Why?
I lied to my mom that I'm going to school and I'm not going to school.
Can you lie for 10 million?
Whether I can lie for 10 million? Yeah, of course now. I lie for free, so I can lie for 10 million.
Why?
10 million, I can lie for 10 million. Because I need the 10 million.
Okay, do you think it's good to lie?
in some ways it's good though. In some ways it's good.
It's good in some ways to lie.
Yes, some ways. Sometimes,
sure?
sometimes you have to lie.
A lie?
Yeah.
Well, to me, a lie is when you know the actual fact, but you decide to tell otherwise.
Okay, when last did you lie?
Well, I can't recall, but I think today, every day we do lie. Yes.
Okay. Why?
It's either because we are scared or maybe we just want to suffer the person. Like now, like what I said before, if you know the answer to this, just because you want to suffer the person or you just want to keep it to yourself, you choose to lie to the person.
Okay, can you lie for 10 million?
For 10 million? Yes. Yes, I can.
Why?
Because you said it yourself, 10 million is money. Everybody needs money, so I'm sure everybody can, even to kill. Huh? To kill.
Hey!
What do you think is good to lie?
No, it's not fair.
So, but you're gonna lie for 10 million?
Yes. We see it as normal thing that is nothing. So that's why we lie.
Okay.
I hear you. If you don't get out of here now, I'll use this hammer to break your teeth.
Welcome back. I guess you had fun. Please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and share this video. Thank you very much. See you next time.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Hello people, welcome here again. Hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our social media page. If not, please kindly click on the subscribe button now. You know, as usual, as we do it before, going down the street to get answers to questions from people. And today our question is, what is a broken heart? Sure, this is going to be an amazing one. And yes, if you're watching this for the first time, this is CFView TV and my name is Latifa. So please stay tuned. Let's see together Word of God.
If you keep pass me, I know fit to condo. Na smile at this, my when I notice your shadow. And if not fat, me go be your commando.
Okay, today's question is, what is a broken heart?
Hey, okay, broken heart.
I will be here. I'll wait for them.
Yeah.
You know, this broken heart is like when you love a girl and that girl is attached to you and he love you so much. You was like, I love this girl with all my heart. You have spent all your money in that girl.
For what?
That girl will not last break your heart. Break your heart. And it's not good. Why can you love a girl and it will last break your heart? That is it fair?
Okay, so how do you feel when you get that last break your heart?
My heart is cut into two. My heart is cut into two. Hey! But like that is how they used to be.
Okay.
Can you imagine?
So do you think it can be amended when your heart is broken?
I don't think so, because it's broken into two. Because it will be, as in, I don't know, it will be hard to attach to it together.
Sorry.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
I never expected it.
Can you tell us what is a broken heart?
A broken heart.
Yeah.
A broken heart is something related like a broken pieces, a broken bottle. Imagine when someone's heart is broken. It also applies the same way when a bottle is broken. The person's heart will be scattered. You understand? Though it's actually bad for someone or anyone to be in such situation, because it's not going to be an easy thing. Like for instance, now each one is a student, and imagine when, let me say, like a day or a week to the person's exam, and the person is heartbroken. The person will not be able to do well or in his or her own exam. You understand? So I don't really advise anybody to be in such situation.
Okay, how do you feel when you're heartbroken?
Well, when someone's heart is broken, it's very bad. For me, if someone should break my heart, I'm going to feel so bad. But that doesn't mean I should give up on my dreams. I will definitely stand up and do more.
Okay, do you think heartbreak can be amended?
Yeah, definitely can be amended, but though it goes a long way, it's not very easy to amend. But it depends on individual differences.
Can you tell us how? Just
like now, for instance, now maybe if brother A or brother B has a broken heart, and if another brother C or brother D also have a broken heart, or if brother F or brother E does not have a broken heart, if brother A has the ability to awaken somebody that has a broken heart, definitely the person might be able to come out from that situation. But if brother F doesn't have the ability to mend a broken heart, it couldn't go a long way. But there are some people that have that mindset. There are some people that have that how do I put it, like a gift to amend broken hearts.
Okay, can you please tell us what is a broken heart?
I think a broken heart is someone that is hurt, disappointed.
Okay, how do you feel when you're heartbroken?
I don't think I've ever been heartbroken. I think I'm just more like a little bit disappointed at the person.
Okay, can it be amended?
Yes, can.
How?
Talk to the person about it.
That's all.
Yes.
Okay, can you please tell us what a broken heart is?
Hey, y'all, come look at this. Is when you broke someone's heart that love you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell us how you feel when you are heartbroken.
You feel upset. You feel downcast.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you think it can be amended when you're heartbroken?
No, you cannot, except love is not strong. If it's strong, it cannot be amended.
How?
Because someone love you with all her heart, you not break her heart. You not break her heart. It's very.
Can you tell us what a broken heart is?
According to, well, I would say a broken heart.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
The heart that's been, let's say, a broken heart is a heart that's. Okay, I don't want to repeat the broken. Okay, I don't want to repeat the broken. This okay, the heart has been broken. Probably has gone through a lot. Has gone through a. My dear, cut it. My dear, cut it.
Hey, I hear me.
Thanks, cut it.
Okay, cut.
If you don't get out of here now, I'll use this hammer to break your teeth.
Okay, can you tell us what a broken heart is? A broken heart.
A broken heart.
Yes.
Okay, from my own understanding,
Yeah.
a broken heart is when you have a broken heart. A broken heart is when you have a broken heart. You have a broken heart. Hey! Abi? Maybe when a girl breaks your heart, something like that.
Can you tell us how you feel when you're heartbroken?
I can't really say, but like I feel like a dead person.
Person when you're heartbroken.
Yes.
Can you tell me? Can you amend it when you're heartbroken?
Not really, but when no, it's not possible. It's not possible. You just have to move along.
I never expected it.
Shadow, and if not fat me go be your commando, na Rambo.
Man, a broken heart is very, very painful. If a girl break your heart at the first time when you love the girl so very much, so much. And for me, to my own experience, man, it's something else because you won't get yourself at that moment because you guys have shared so many time together. So it's a memory that we can't die for long. Will be on the air. So it's a kind of complicated issue.
So you felt bad for a very
Man, I felt bad, very, very bad. I don't lie.
So how were you able to amend it?
But just decide to console myself and be myself as a man. Understand? So it's not easy.
Okay, can you tell us what is a broken heart?
A broken heart is actually getting pain because of what somebody has done. Yes, always very bad because of what somebody has done to you in a bad way or in a bad moment. I just say.
Okay, how do you feel when you're heartbroken?
Of course, very bad. You feel very bad. You feel alone. You feel depressed.
Okay, can you think a broken heart can be amended?
Of course, yes. Yeah, of course, very. If you can sew a stitch, if you can mend a stitch, if you can do what you couldn't do yesterday, today, if wounds can heal, then a broken heart can be amended.
Thank you very much.
Good.
What's your name, please?
Jackson.
Okay, can you tell us what is a broken heart?
A broken heart. Like what I say broken heart is the person heart that's broken due to relationship status. You know what I'm saying?
I never expected it.
Shadow, and if not fat, me go be your commando. So check out your time.
Welcome back. Hope you had fun. You can tell us how amazing it was on the comment section. Please do not forget to click on the subscribe button. You can also ring on our notification bell. Thank you very much and see you next time.
No, I can't born again. Why? Because we Ghanaians, we are facing problem. If I want to born again, I have to ask my wife before I born again. For the last 2 years, we go and do that family planning. But we are planning about our family, so I can't born again.
No, I mean like you are born again. Born again.
I can't born again, please. I have 5 children. I should born again. Oh.
DJ TV.